Hi, I'm Michael from Quitch Support. This is a guide to our new self-service feature. First, navigate to app.quitch.com in your browser. Click Sign Up. Once verified, you can now create your workspace. Think of it as your central hub for creating a class. Add a workspace image if you like. That's it. You are now ready to explore our Educator portal. Your basic plan info is at the bottom left of the page, and a button to contact us for further info. Experiment with creating a class by trying out different settings to suit your needs.